Oh no! Oop.
If you don't pick out your costumes, the Wicked Witch of the West will take your brains.
Just kidding. I was just using this witch to scare you guys into going to the dressing room. Cool beans! Ooh, I almost forgot this about my costume. Cool beans! I am the Arachnid Queen of France. Roster, where's your costume?
Don't worry, Elder Tungsten. My costume will appear when I eat this elephant apple.
Wow, Zowie! I'm Elephant Ruster, and I'm king of the savannah biome.
Oop.
Prepare to see me in your nightmares. Ha 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 ha. Cool.
Hello, Frankenstein Tungsten here. I hope you guys stick together in the night. Good luck.
Cool beans.
Guys,
Check out the freaking woods. Hard pass. We're too scared to go in there. Okay, fine.
Nope.
Oh no, I'm so scared. Trick or treat!
there is no one inside.
What do you mean there's no one inside?
Oh no!
Man, you did a good job scaring human friends with that monster burger. Cool. Hey! What is it?
Do you want to see my eyeball fall out?
Okay, fine. Cool beans. You did a good job making Sheep and Friends feel weird.
Cool.
Well, that was weird.
Cool.
Let's go.
I like chasing ghosts in the pale on the outside and colorful on the inside pyramid.
Does anyone want to open the sarcophagus?
Me, who is a brave knight, will open the sarcophagus. Was that jump scare delightfully devilish?
Ooh, my ribcage is now broken, which reveals my highly ticklish gearbox. Hey! What do you want?
There's something terrible going on in the graveyard, and you really have to see this.
Cool.
Cranial cavity, cerebral cortex, dorsal root ganglion, rigor mortis, and corpse entanglement.
Oh, where's my top hat?
I hate to tell you this, it's currently being used in a ritual.
Oop.
What is that? A macabre clamshell?
Disgusting septic clam.
Oop.
Hello, I'm here to warn you guys of a car coming. Everybody get in!
Come on, Lester, let's go!
Ooh.
Before we roll the credits, let's look back on previous year's celebrations.